General of Police Douglas Kanja is expected to appear in court on Wednesday morning to explain the whereabouts of the missing persons who were allegedly abducted in December last year.
And as Samira Mohammed now reports, among the 6 individuals abducted, Peter Muteti, Benard Kavuli, Billy Mwangi, Gideon Kibet and Rony Kiplangat were released on Monday, while Steve Mbisi's whereabouts remain unknown.
Police Inspector General Douglas Kanja seemed to have begun his career as a police boss on a challenging note after being summoned to court for the second time.
It represents the Inspector General's commitment to uphold the rule of law, protecting constitutional rights and ensuring justice.
With High Court Judge Bahati Mwamuye emphasizing that failure to adhere to the order will invite penal sanctions for contempt of court.
State officers have an obligation, pursuant to their oaths of office, pursuant to the expectations of the Constitution, and also there is a consequence of contempt of court. This court will not hesitate next week if these persons are not brought before this court.
The new police boss is expected to appear in court on Wednesday, following a summon in relation to the alleged abduction of 6 individuals, including Gideon Kibet, his brother Rony Kiplangat, Peter Muteti, Billy Mwangi, Benard Kavuli and Steve Mbisi.
If the 6 gentlemen are found, I am on duty every day. The criminal division is on duty every day. Nothing prevents any of the respondents or any other party from producing them to this High Court or any other High Court in the Republic.
However, 5 of the 6 missing individuals emerged on Monday morning in different locations, with the police urging Kenyans to collaborate with them by providing information that may aid in investigations or tracing the whereabouts of those still missing, including Steve Mbisi, who is yet to be released. These as the National Police Service has denied any responsibility for the recent abductions. Police spokesperson Dr. Razila Onyango, in a statement on Monday, January 6th, noted that the service remains committed to thoroughly investigating these cases to their conclusion. And even as all eyes are fixated on the Interior Ministry over the recent abductions, the ministry's new Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen has distanced himself from the cases as well as the murders of government critics, stating that he has no knowledge or involvement in the incidents.
We as a council do not in any way support abductions that are happening in the country. Those abductions are not in the forte of the Cabinet Secretary Interior.
Meanwhile, Kenyans may have to wait longer for the truth behind the abductions. Senate Speaker Amason Kingi has rejected a request by an ally of former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua to convene a special sitting to address the issue. The Speaker stating that such a request can only be made by the majority or minority leader. In a letter dated December 27, 2024, Nyandarua Senator John Metho had asked Kingi to call a special sitting of the Senate to discuss the issue, but the Speaker clarified that Metho's request did not meet the criteria outlined in Outstanding Order 33. Samira Mohammed for TV 47, Nairobi.
Thank you, Samira, for that. Now, a section of